My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Qqri. Qqri is a special ransomware that is specifically attacking Windows computers. And this ransomware is from the DJVU family. This particular ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may easily affect the data, and you will not be able to use your files anymore. You can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack, you are able to use your files. But after the ransomware attack, it is not possible to open your data anymore. By the way, we recommend you to carefully examine your task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes, it's a good idea that you terminate such processes. Unfortunately, after people restart their computers, they soon realize that they cannot use their data anymore, and this ransomware Qqri damages all these files that people store. And so now you can clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open the specific file, and this is the message that you get. There is a warning that says Windows cannot open this type of file with the Qqri extension. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored. And if you pay the ransom, you may simply lose your money completely. What we recommend you to do is immediately removing this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the reliable anti-ransomware tool, which you may obtain on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your computer with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper detection of any malware. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer, and you'll be able to see the full report about all the threats which were found on your computer. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This is what helps you protect your data from being damaged by any other ransomware type threats, but this feature is a part of the premium license only. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the infections which were found on your computer. In the summary of threats, you will be able to know the locations of threats. Of course, you will be able to know the exact locations of these threats on your computer, and even though some threats based on that summary can be removed manually, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected. So wait until the scanning is over. You'll see the summary of the threats. At the end of the scan, the report will show you the information about the locations of threats. Please consider upgrading to premium. This is the best solution to keep your data protected.